Oh boy, so yeah, I just realized that YouTube actually is a great medium to use, and I really haven't been doing YouTube at all, and I really should now do more of it. But right now I'm not prepared at all. I don't have I don't really have. I didn't do the backup work, which is sometimes required to do to make great content, great work. You know, you need to do some backup work sometimes. At least I like to do, because I kind of want to have the videos be about something, not just be like empty calories. You know, rather be it information, because you're using your precious time to watch me. So yeah, thanks for the watch, and be sure to subscribe and hit that like, please.